Oh, my kite! What do we do now? Huh! Got it! Look! First, you climb up, catch the kite, and come back. Okay? Here, good luck! Go for it, Kitty! Yes, yes! You're almost there! Oh no! It's okay. Let's try another. What are you looking at, baby? We were playing with the kite. It got stuck. We tried, but failed. Oh, really? This won't work. I've got a great plan. See? Okay. I can do this. Just wait and see. Whoa! Ouch! Don't laugh. I have a better idea. Huh? Wow! I'm going to fly like Superman. This will work for sure. Yes! Yes!